Hello guys, Chit Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and this is Chit Chat Talking number 2. So today's topic is stop being a fanboy or an elitist. Yes, I know I swear quite a bit, but I think that it is appropriate since fanboys are really, in my opinion, fanboys, only my opinion of course, but fanboys are the cancer of tech community. Fanboys are the cancer of tech community. Why? So let me get something straight. So you are going to buy a product. You have two brands, and you are a fanboy to one of them. Okay? Let's say, for example, AMD and Intel. Okay? I'm saying this because it's the most common. Okay? AMD and Intel. You have two products at the same price, but one is better. Let's just say the AMD one is better for this in order to work. But the Intel fanboy will do what? Will buy Intel instead of what gives them the most for the price they are expending. Now, is this wrong? No. You can buy whatever you want. You can buy whatever you want. But what is wrong, really, really wrong, is the fact that most people try to justify their buy saying that mine is better, yours is shit, because you're not buying the brand I like. So you're not buying the brand I like, you are shit. You're not buying the product I like. What happens? Yes, the product you bought is automatically a shit. That's what I hate about fanboyism and elitism. Because like I said, it is completely fine to buy a product. If you like that brand, you can buy something worse for the same price, but you like that brand, you are the owner of your own money, obviously. Okay? But one thing is for sure. You don't need, nor you have the right to say something is better just because you've bought it. You've bought it. You don't have the right to do that. It is okay to buy whatever you want because it's your money, but stop defending brands, okay? Brands are companies. Companies are made to make money. They usually don't care about the consumer. They care about money, revenue. So they don't really care if the product is good or bad if you keep buying it. Let's take an example. For example, Apple. The Apple phones, the iPhones, whatever. So people will simply give like $1.5 thousand for a phone. Is it worth that much? Not even close. And the same applies to Samsung phones, for example. Is it worth that much? Not even close. But why do they keep raising the prices while giving almost no new features? Because people keep buying, and that's the reason. Okay? If you don't want brands to fuck you in the ass, just stop buying overpriced piece of shit products. Just buy what is better for you in terms of price performance. If price is not a problem at all, let's say in case of Nvidia, I can say don't buy Nvidia 2080 Ti, for example, 2080 Ti, because AMD has no competitor. So if you really want the max performance and money is not an issue, you need to buy the 2080 Ti, because there isn't something better than that in terms of gaming. If AMD in fact did have a better product or equivalent product for the same price, or in matter of fact equivalent product for, let's say, 100 bucks less, well, then I would say first watch the prices, watch the performance, see how both compare to each other, and buy what's best for you. But once again, what will a fanboy do? Yes, they won't even see tests. And even if they see tests and they see, well, the another product is better, but I'll just buy my brand because I like my brand. See, this is what happens, and this is what I don't like. Elitism. Why are you an elitist? It makes no sense completely. It makes no sense. Imagine, just to say that, oops, there was a person back there, and she was like looking at me. That woman was like looking at me, imagining, what is that guy doing? Is he talking to himself? That was pretty funny. But well, elitism. Don't be an elitist. Basically, elitist people, what they do is look at you and say, if you don't have the best or close to the best, you suck. This is what an elitist thinks, okay? They think that if you don't have the best, you suck, and they think they are superior to you just because they have something better than you have. While, for example, some people do not know and do not actually need, not the fact of knowing, but they do not actually need better than that because they won't use it. But an elitist will say, once again, if you don't have what I have or better, you suck. So fuck you elitists. Sorry about this, but fuck you elitists. And well guys, that's today's video of Chit Chat Driving. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it. Thanks a lot and see you in the next one.